Why do men and women often feel like they're speaking completely different languages in relationships? It's not just a cliche. It's a communication gap rooted in psychology, biology, and the way we've been taught to express emotions. Today, we read breaking down the real reasons behind these misunderstandings and how to bridge the gap for a stronger, more fulfilling connection. Men and women tend to approach conversations with different goals. Men often communicate to solve problems. Women communicate to connect emotionally. So when a woman says, "I had such a hard day," and the man replies, "Then why don't you quit your job?" He thinks he's helping. She feels unheard. She didn't want to fix. She wanted to feel understood. This is one of the most common disconnects in relationships. Women usually use emotional language expressing feelings and asking open-ended questions. Men often use direct and practical language, getting straight to the point. When she says, "We never talk anymore," what she really means is, "I miss feeling close to you," but he might hear it as criticism and shut down. The same words carry different meanings for each. Listening styles also differ. Men tend to listen to fix. Women listen to connect. If she's venting and he cuts in with advice, she may feel dismissed. If he's silent, thinking he's being respectful, she may feel ignored. Both are trying, but they're speaking different emotional languages. And when conflict arises, the gap widens. Many men withdraw when emotions run high. It's not always anger. Often it's overwhelm. Meanwhile, women tend to seek resolution through more talking and emotional engagement. She pushes. He retreats. This creates a cycle: one chases, the other escapes. But this can be changed through empathy, through awareness, by slowing down, listening deeply, and understanding that different doesn't mean wrong. Ask instead of assuming, validate instead of defending. Sometimes just being present is enough, because when both partners feel seen, heard, and safe, communication transforms from conflict into connection. Men and women aren't opposites. They're simply different, and those differences can be strengths if we choose to understand them. If this helped you see your relationship in a new light, consider sharing it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, keep your mind open.